Time to stitch some holiday cheer. Let's make a tree that's bright and clear. Hoop it up and come along. This little project won't take long. For this project, you'll need a 5x7 inch hoop. For the stabilizer, you'll use a wash-away stabilizer. For the fabrics, we'll use 2 pieces of tree fabric cut to 5.5 by 6.5 inches, 1 piece of batting, also 5.5 by 6.5 inches, tape, small scissors and curved scissors, and warm water for cleanup. Let's get started. Step 1 is to hoop your wash-away stabilizer. Then bring it to your machine and stitch the placement line. Once that's done, lay your batting over the outline and tape it in place. Put the hoop back on the machine and stitch the tack-down line. Then, remove the hoop and trim the excess batting around the stitch line. Cut close, but don't cut into the stitches. Place your front tree fabric on top and tape it down. Then stitch the tack down, the letter, and the tree decorations. Once the embroidery decorations are done, take the hoop off the machine and flip it over. Tape the second piece of fabric to the back, making sure it fully covers the tree shape. Then bring the hoop back to the machine and stitch the tack down on both sides. Remove the hoop once again and trim the extra fabric on the front and back. Trim as close as possible to the stitch line without cutting into it. Return the hoop to the machine to stitch the satin border. And once finished, remove the tree from the hoop and trim the stabilizer as close as you can. Cut a small slit in the buttonhole using scissors or a seam ripper. Be careful not to cut the satin stitching. Lastly, use warm water and your finger to gently dab away any leftover wash-away stabilizer. Repeat these steps for the other letters, then string them together through the buttonholes to spell NOEL. Your trees are stitched and looking bright. A holiday banner done just right. Thanks for hanging out today. More stitchy fun is on the way.